All right, so we've got this modern shelving system for your bathroom. These are made of steel. They're coated. We currently have those shower poles. They're adjustable. This is going into a tenant's shower. It's very gunky when you have the poles, and we have 4 people living in the basement apartment. So we're going to replace these. To hold these up, we have these fancy hooks. This is plastic. So these snap into here, right? So yes, if you bang it and kick it, they'll obviously break off. One here, and then you clean the surface. So you peel this backing, you place it, you leave it for about 2 minutes, and then you hang like that. So let's go put this up. So press around to get all the bubbles out, if there are any. This adhesive sticks the same to porcelain, ceramic, whether it's glazed or matte. Matte finishes are obviously better just by default. All right. Good. So we leave these on for 24 hours and we're done. All right. There we go. Nice and clean. This is the before.